Imagine transforming a basic product image into a stunning photo shoot with just a few clicks. Jector AI makes this possible. AI-powered product photo shoots without needing a professional photographer. First, upload your product image. Then, adjust the lighting by selecting your preferred light strength and choosing a light map that matches the look you are going for. Next, pick a background option that enhances your product's appeal. Turn on the dramatic change feature, enter your own keywords, or choose from the suggested list, and click Generate. Excited to see how it all comes together? Preview each image to ensure it meets your vision. If you are happy with the results, simply click Download, and your AI-generated product visual is ready to use. With Jector AI, elevate your product images effortlessly and make your photo shoot stand out. If you enjoyed the video, like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more awesome videos.